Welcome to our guide on understanding custom and standard objects in Salesforce. In this session, we'll explore the fundamental building blocks that make up the data structure within the Salesforce platform. Describe the advantages of using objects on the Salesforce platform. Explain the distinctions between standard objects and custom objects. List the various types of custom fields associated with an object. First things first, the data model is a human-friendly representation of what database tables look like in a system. Consider storing data in a spreadsheet, but tables aren't the best way for humans to interact with data. That's where the data model steps in. In Salesforce, tables become objects, columns become fields, and rows become records. For instance, an account in a database translates to an account object in Salesforce, complete with its respective fields and records. Salesforce supports various object types: standard, custom, external, platform events, and big objects. Our focus is on the two most prevalent types, standard and custom objects. Standard objects come pre-built with Salesforce, encompassing common business entities such as account, contact, lead, and opportunity. Custom objects, on the other hand, are tailor-made for specific business needs. Objects aren't just containers, they bring specialized functionality. For example, when you create a custom object, Salesforce automatically generates the user interface's page layout. Now let's delve into the realm of fields. Every object, standard or custom, has its set of fields. Let's explore the diverse types of fields at your disposal. System fields are read-only, providing vital information about record creation and modification. Custom fields, whether on standard or custom objects, are user-defined. They allow you to tailor data storage according to your specific needs, like storing contact birthdays on the contact object. Each field is associated with a data type, indicating the kind of information it stores. Salesforce offers various data types for different purposes. Whether it's a simple yes or no with checkbox, specific dates with date or date time, or automated calculations using formula fields, Salesforce provides a range of data types to suit your needs. While several field types are available, the essential consideration is aligning the data type with the data you're storing. And that wraps up our exploration of custom and standard objects and their associated fields within Salesforce. To begin, log into your Salesforce org and navigate to Object Manager. Within Object Manager, click on the Create Custom Object button to start creating your custom object. Fill in the basic information for your custom object. Set the label as Event Registration and the plural label as Event Registrations. Ensure the name is auto-populated. Configure optional features as needed, such as allowing reports and enabling activities and tracking field history. Click Next to proceed. Review your settings and click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully created a custom object named Event Registration in Salesforce. First, log into your Salesforce org and navigate to the Object Manager for the Event Registration custom object. Within the Event Registration object settings, click on Fields and Relationships. To add the registration date field, click on the New Field button. Choose Date as the field type and follow the prompts to set up the field details. Now, let's add the Number of Attendees field. Click New Field again, select Number as the field type, and set the length to 18. Verify that the new fields, registration date, and number of attendees are successfully added to your custom object. Log into your Salesforce org and navigate to the Event Registration tab. Click on the New button to create a new record in the Event Registration tab. Fill in the details for your new record. Provide a unique event registration name, select a registration date, input the number of attendees, and enter the contact email. For payment status, select from the pick list options. After filling in all the necessary details, click Save to create the record with the custom fields. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.